Alright, so welcome you back. In the previous lecture, we created an ebook cover for this. Let's go ahead and create a box shot for this again. And in order to get every material we need to sell this product in the market, let's go ahead and exit this. So remember to save before you exit. So, and also try to download that. Now I can go over to templates. Let's go back to templates. And under the template, I will move over to Boxshot. So Boxshot, you might have seen this so many places, and I believe that you must have seen that. All right, so let's go ahead and choose this. It aligns with the color of what we are doing. We don't need to preview that. We go straight to start editing immediately. So that looks good, and very soon it's done. So you can see that is exactly the same color. Everything here is editable. Go ahead and edit this, just like we did in the previous lecture. We go ahead and edit this immediately, and then go over to bundles, and then we need everything that we're editing in order to sell this product. All right, so go over and delete this, and also delete this. I will remove every of these things here in order to upload our own, and also this. All right, I can leave that. The last one, I think it looks good. You see, it's draggable, right? So I think it looks good. Now go ahead and remove this as well. So we have our image which have already imported. All we need to do is to click on this, and then we go ahead and drag this, just like we did in the previous lecture. And then after, we go ahead and move that to the back in order to look good. Now drag this down a little bit, and then I'm going to send these to the back. So go ahead and send backwards. So I love this. That is why I kept it. So it's going to be on top of this. All right. Now we can go ahead and preview what we have, and see that we have something so sweet, right? All right. I know you might be like, wow, that is cool. Now let's go over and check on this as well. Now I can go ahead and delete this. I don't need this. Now for the text here, I can write that text to be smarter study. That should be smarter study with AI. Now you can go ahead and add more text for the subtitle, or I go ahead and drag this in order to be look good. So I'm going to drag this. So I'm going to leave this. It looks good. I can actually delete that. You see that? I can actually delete all this. What I think I love this, it shows that this is an ebook. All right. So let's go ahead and preview that and see how it looks. So smarter study with AI. This looks so big. Let's go ahead and reduce this. Okay. All right. That looks so big, and it should look good now. Smarter study with AI. And that is so sweet. Go ahead and close that, save and exit, and we now have a box shot ready for our product. And when this product gets into the market, you can see that this product can actually be sold. All right, so let's go ahead and download this again. Go ahead and export this. You can add watermark. I don't need that. You can add a shadow. If you add a shadow, you can see we have this shadow right here. You can also add a reflection to show down. You see, I don't need all this. To me, I don't need that in my products. I don't need a shadow as well. You can also add a shadow. It makes your product to look good and reflective in nature. So you see that our design actually work. What I think I need to touch this a little bit. Go over here, and I'm going to drag this down a little. Drag this down, and let's preview that and make sure that they match. I'm going to drag that down again. And let's preview it again. And I need to drag it down a little bit again. And let's check it out. All right, now you can see the wave now matched. And you can see that the two wave now matched. So that looks so sweet. And this box shorts is so beautiful. So go ahead and design yours and download that immediately. So in the next lecture, we'll go ahead and design the bundles for our products and get this product in the marketplace. Right? Thank you, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.